Good afternoon to everyone. Thanks for being on hold for some times, and I would welcome to everyone for the today's session. And thank you all for taking your time to join this session. And before we get started, you will notice the options like chat, Q&A, polls, and reactions at the bottom of your screen. So please feel free to use these throughout your sessions. For now, just a quick check. If you can see my screen clearly and hear me well, could you please give me a thumbs up? Yeah, thanks for your confirmation. So let me introduce myself. My name is Bharat, and today we are going to talk about Zoho CRM. So in that, we are going to see what it is, why business need it, and how it can completely transform the way you manage your customers and sales process. So most of you, whether you have most of your people are used CRM before, or some person never used it. But in this today's session, so you might understand and you will get clear understanding why we need to use Zoho CRM and how to use everything. So before we begin, let me quickly introduce our company. So we are Tekydoct, and we are a Zoho Authorized Partner, which we providing a digital transformation and custom software solution for customer businesses. And we have our headquarters in Brunei, and also we have a branch in Chennai, that is in India. So we help organization across the industries to streamline their operations and achieve their measurable businesses. Like, based on their requirement, we will give a consultation, implementation, then we will support, and we will also give training using Zoho solutions. Okay, and also let me introduce about Zoho. Zoho is a global software company that offers a wide range of cloud-based application to help and manage their operations. And also it provides a 55 integrated applications like CRM, finance, HR, support, and the analytics. So one of the biggest advantage of Zoho is that all the applications are connected together. So that means your data flows seamlessly, you know, across your entire business without manual effort. So instead of using a multiple disconnected tools, Zoho provides a complete ecosystem where everything works together. And now we can see, like, Zoho CRM actually plays a vital role in Zoho, because it helps you the manage your customers and sales process in a structured way. Now coming to the today's session, we will cover three main segments. One is what is CRM, why does your business need it. The another one is we will take you to the tour of Zoho CRM features and see what it can do for your business. And third one, we are going to look into the workflow automation, which is the most powerful features in Zoho CRM. But if you see in the advanced feature, we have lot of automations are there in Zoho CRM. So that we will take it in the upcoming sessions, like, maybe some 1 month back later or something like that. But today we are going to see about only a workflow automations. And finally, we have Q&A session where you can post your questions in the questions tab, so that we will respond to you accordingly. Okay, let's begin with the first segment, that is what is CRM, why does your business need it. So let me start with the simple question. Okay, so I also just drop a poll so that it will be visible in your system right now. So I have a question, like, how many of you ever forgotten to follow up with the customers, and or maybe the client called you and you could not remember what you discussed last time, and also there are a potential customer, you might to miss them to follow them, so because of that you might have lost the opportunity. You just poll it, like I just be on hold for 1 minute, so you poll it accordingly, then I will get back to you. Yes, thanks for your response. So I could see most of the attendees are mentioned that, like, yes, you might miss, you all miss the follow with the customer. So that's where then you are not alone, okay? Because exactly the problem that CRM systems were created to solve you all your issues. So CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management, and it is a system that helps the businesses to improve your sales process, managing the customer data, tracking interactions, and streamlining the sales and services. So because it's all in one place, you can see it. So I don't want to put you into the technical definition. I'm just tell you with a very simple way. Let's quickly compare how business operates without CRM and with CRM. When it comes to without CRM, okay, the customer contacts, we used to store it on in our phone contacts. So, like, whenever we directly met them, so we just ask them their contact, and we will have it in our mobile, or we will get the visiting cards and we keep it in our wallets. But when come to the with CRM, okay, so we add every customer's complete profiles. Like, we will store it in our CRM with the name, company, phone number, email address, and all the conversation. Whenever we had a conversation with the customer, that we will track it in our CRM. And also we also track their what are the things they purchase from us. Like, if it is a mobile shop or whatever it is, so whatever they purchase, we can store it here. Then the second point is follow up, which we spoke about earlier. Follow up reminders we might write in our notebook, or we take it as a notes, okay, sticky notes. But in CRM, it's not like that. Whenever you had a meeting, like, whenever you wanted to follow up with the customer, we will create as a task. So whenever the right time is comes in, okay, you will get a notifications that you have a meeting, or you wanted to follow up with the customer. Everything you will get it automatically. The third one is sales pipeline. It's a very important thing, because when the prospect is there, so we need to know in which stage they are belongs to. So without CRM in sales pipeline, we used to store it in the Excel sheet. But in CRM, it's not like that. It is a visual pipeline. It's showing exactly where every deal stands. Okay. And also we know who are all interested and who are all negotiating our proposal. The other one is we forgot to call back a lead. So that's what I said. So whenever we forgot to follow up with the customer, we might lose the deal. But in system, in CRM, what will happen, even if you are not contacted them for past 2 days, it will automatically send the follow up to the customer through the email. Okay. And the last but not least, okay, we have a lot of salespersons. Like, if we have 10 salesperson or 5 salesperson, whatever it is. So whatever the salesperson A is talking to one customer, the sales B person doesn't know about it. Okay. So even if they are taking on long leave, okay, when customer walk into your organization and he inquired about the previous commitment, we doesn't know about it. So for that, to solve this issue, we have the entire entire team to see the histories, okay, and we does not have confusion, because we all stored everything in the CRM itself. Okay. So this is a simple way we have to think about CRM is your business memory. Okay. Imagine having an employee who remembers everything, the customer's name, who bought it, who spoke to them previously, and when you should follow up. Like this business memory, what will do it? It will never forget your process, and also it will work for 24 hours a day. So that is what Zoho CRM does for your business. Now let's look at who can benefit from the CRM. First one, the real estate agent. It's just an example. Okay, I'm just give the few industries who much benefit for you. So the first one I can say it's a real estate agent because they get n number of inquiries. So without CRM, what they will have a problem. It is very difficult for them to um, remember the customers interested and which property they wants it. But when we have CRM, what will happen? You have a filters to filter the leads by budgets, locations, and the interest rates. So that's where CRM will helpful for the real estate agent. Not only that, the other business is coaching business. Okay, so we wanted to track the student details. Okay, where they belongs to, what is their personal details, what session, what course they are looking for. Everything we will track it in the system, and also we'll track the session of their histories, and we will track their payments as well. So likewise, we have a different industries like IT services company, retail e-commerce businesses, and any sales teams. Okay, because so CRM is useful for almost any business that deals with the customers. Now you wonder why we actually focusing on Zoho CRM specifically. Okay, because there are a lot of CRM tools in their industry, in our industry, right? So such as Salesforce, HubSpot, and the Microsoft Dynamics. But however, the Zoho CRM is a very popular, especially for a small and medium businesses. So one of the biggest advantage of Zoho CRM is pricing. Okay, so Zoho CRM offers a free plan for up to 3 users, which is great starting point for small businesses and the startups. But what we have, we have a limited versions. Like we might have, limited features. We have this plans include the essential features like lead management, contacts, and the mobile access as well. So you can start managing your sales process without any initial investment. As your business grows, okay, Zoho CRM provides a multiple paid plans such as standard, professional, enterprises, and ultimate. So each plans comes up with the additional features like workflow automations, advanced customization, AI capabilities, and the analytics. So this means you can start small and scale your CRM as your business grows without needing to switch the system. So compared to the other CRM tools in the market, Zoho CRM is much more affordable while still offering the powerful features. So in this, in this editions, standard, professional, or enterprises or ultimate, we have both monthly and yearly plan for all the editions. So if you have any confusion to pick which edition you wanted to use for your business, please reach out to us. As a Zoho partners, we will suggest you the right plan for you based on the requirement. And also we have a trial version, free trial version. So our co-organizer will post the Zoho CRM trial version link in chat. So you can just sign up and try how it's more useful for your business. So Mohammed, can you please put the link into the chat so that people can utilize it? Okay. So yeah, let's move on. Then I can say, as I said before, it is specifically CRM is specifically for small and medium businesses. So since here most of the attendees are from Brunei, so in our regions, one of the biggest electrical car company, BYD and RBA are the user for Zoho CRM. So you because they are very happy with that Zoho CRM as well. And also why we are focusing on Zoho CRM, we have it all in one ecosystem, so we can integrate with the other Zoho applications and other third-party applications as well. So it will unify the platform for you. And we have a support. We have a n number of support, we have 24/7 support with the Zoho. And also, if you have any clarification, you can also get in touch with Tekydoct as well. So we will assist you for your supports. And finally, it's a AI. So we are into the world. We are hanging with AI. So a lot of AI applications are there. But Zoho itself now it's a built-in application, AI application called Zia, which can help analyze your business, the sales data, and it provides insights. So now we see what CRM is. Now let's look at the actual features of Zoho CRM. So before we move to Zoho CRM, so before I take you to the tour, I will poll one more session. I will drop one more poll, so you can just poll it, and we will move on. Yeah, thanks for your quick response. So I could see most of the people are voted that you are tracking the leads and customers in Excel sheet. Yes, so definitely the Zoho CRM will help you to track the customer, and a lot of automation we can see it. Let's take you to the tour of the Zoho CRM features and see what it can do for your business. So the first features we will look into it is leads and contacts management. So leads management is nothing that the person who come to your who just came for the inquiry about your organization, what it is. So that person is actually a lead for you. So they are not a potential customer. So once actually they become a potential customer, we will convert them as a contact. The second feature we are going to see is deals and the sales pipelines. So deals is nothing but the customer, okay, the lead who comes repeatedly for our businesses. They are your repeated customers. So we will create them as a deals, and also we will use the sales pipelines, because the prospect moves through a different stages such as qualification, proposal, negotiation, and closing. Okay, so this makes it is a simply drag and drop, so that I will show to you in the system, directly in CRM itself. The other features I'm going to talk about is activities. So in this activities, which includes calls, meetings, follow-ups, whenever you have a call a customer, or whenever you wanted to meet a customer, or whenever you wanted to give a task, or you wanted to add the task for you, we will use the activities here. And the other one, it is a email integration. So we will integrate the email with the Zoho CRM, and we will send the email directly from CRM itself. And the other one is reports and dashboards. So here you can see the real-time dashboard showing the sales performance, and we can create a scheduled reports. Everything we can use using the reports and dashboard. The another one is a mobile app. So this is a very important for all the salesperson who are in the field. Okay. Just now I will going to we will take you to the Zoho CRM, and I will show you how it is there. These features are. So can you please confirm or just give thumbs up? You can able to see my Zoho CRM page. Yes, thanks for your confirmation. So the first features which I spoke about is lead management. So the lead, when we are comes to the lead, what we will do that we will create a lead based on the different sources. So first, what we will create, what we will do, we will fill the form with using their name, email address, phone number, or mobile number if they have two phone numbers, and we will add them like which source. So we might have get the source, like we get the lead from walk-in, or we will get them from website, we will get them from events, we will get them from employee referral, and so on. So based on the resources, based on the sources, we will add those information. And if you see here, some fields have red color mark. So in this red color, so if you fill this red color, okay, then only we can able to save it. Without filling this required field, we cannot save this record. So once we save the records, so you can able to see like this. So you can able to see their name, you can see the name, email address, phone number, which source they belongs to, and what is their status, and which country they belongs to, and what is their description. Everything we can able to see it here. So whenever you had a conversation with the customer, we can just add the notes, like we can see first call is completed, first call is completed. Okay, so once you added it, you will get to know when you completed it. Okay, so you will have n number of notes, so that your history of conversation will be available in the system itself. Okay, the other one which I spoke about it, converting into the contacts. So once the inquiry person, they ready to buy something, or they ready to become a prospect for you, we can convert them as a contact and also a deal, that is prospect. So once when you create as a contacts, in contact information, we will save all their personal informations, like their phone number, their email address, their date of birth, everything we will add it there. And when you create a deal, so we will give some amount to them, like we will give the proposal to them, like it's a 4,000 INR or BND, whatever it is, we can give it. And we know when it will be completed. Maybe next month, 3rd, it will be completed, this project. And what kind of data deal type they are, whether it is a direct deal or the tender. So everything we can add it here. And how healthy they are. They are healthy, natural, and all these things. And what type of service they want. They wanted an implementation or implementation license, so on. So I just give implementation and I convert them. So don't think that there are a lot of fields, which is not relevant to your business. So based on your business, we will create we will customize the fields for you, so that you can utilize accordingly. So once I convert them as a prospect and contact, so I can go to the leads. Okay, if I go to the leads, that Mohammed person lead will not be there, because they are now become your contacts. So you can see here in contacts, they have their name, as I said, they have their phone number, they have the email address also. So whatever the notes you posted in the leads, that's also will be available here. Okay, the another one is I spoke about the deals. The other features we spoke about the deals features. So in this deals features, you can see in the Kanban view, we can see qualification, lead analysis, value proposition, because based on the deal stages, we will move them by step. So it is very easier for you to just drag and drop like this. Okay, you don't have to go inside and you don't have to change that stage. So whenever you have, like, you can able to see, okay, this thing, like, now they are into the value proposition, we can move them into the value proposition directly. So once we done it, like, we wanted to create a activities, like I spoke about, we need to create a task, we can create a meeting, and we can create a call, right? Whenever you had a call with the customer, we can log a call, or we can schedule a call. So when you give a log a call, so it will automatically, the outgoing call status should be completed. So we will fill all the information. We will give the call type, whether it is inbound or outbound, whatever it is, and we will put the timing when we spoke to them, and what is the duration of it, and what is the status, like what we had spoken to them, so that we can log it. Or if you wanted to create a task, so you wanted to follow up with the customer, we can create a follow up, like follow up for payment. So like this we can create. So which due date, what is the due date, and what is the priority, whether it is highest or something, or who is the owner for you. So how many reminders do you want it? So based on the reminder, you will get a notifications. So it's a features which we spoke about it. So the other one, which the interesting one is, I spoke about the reports and dashboards. So if you see here, the reports and dashboards are, it's a visualized dashboard. So it is like, you can easily manage it, and you can see what is the stage of it. So if I show it in the system, okay, if I go here, there are two kind of dashboards are there. One is the manager level dashboard, another one is a user level dashboard. When it comes to the user level dashboard, they can see what are the deals that specific person have. For example, Bharat, this is Bharat's login. So Bharat only can able to see is how many open deals he have, and how many open tasks he currently have it. Okay, and what are the leads, like this month he is going to close it. Everything he can track it here, and he can able to visualize it here in the dashboard. And likewise, if you see the manager level dashboard, it is like it is for all the employees details, and all whatever it is in the system, they can see it, like how many deals are created particularly for this month by all the users, not only for one user, it's all the user. And also you can see what are the quarters, last 4 quarter performance overview. So from which source we get the leads more highest lead. Okay, what are the pipeline stages are there? So what is the top 10 deals? Everything we can customize. So actually this is a customized dashboard. So based on your business, we can customize this dashboards. So that's the major part in the Zoho CRM. And the final one which I spoke about is mobile app. So mobile app is nothing like, whenever the sales team goes to the field and meets someone personally, they can access the CRM in the mobile itself, and they can once they finish the meeting, they can immediately update their notes. So once they updated notes, the manager will notify it, or they can able to see it like that. So because of this, the productivity will increase for them, and ensures the informations are all the up to date they have it. Okay, so this is the basic features which I'm talk about. Now let's move to the advanced level features for workflow automation. As I mentioned in the initially, we have a lot of other advanced features like blueprint. We have other features called assignment rule, and we have a lot of customized things or automations are there. Today we will just look into the workflow automation. In Zoho CRM, this is the most important, and it's a very simple workflow automation. So what it will do generally? What is workflow automation is? So whatever you think, if this happens, so you will that performs to the actions. Like what I can say, whenever the lead is created, we need to send an email automatically, like that. So whenever you give a comment on it, it will do automatically based on our setup. So in this, we will see some real business examples, like whenever the new lead is added to CRM from website, it will automatically send email to our customers. So the another one is whenever the deal stage is changed from the proposal send, okay, it will automatically create a task to follow with the customer. So likewise, we have a lot of real examples, like, whenever you mark the stage as closed one, it will automatically send a thanks email. And whenever the customer has a birthday, we can send them birthday emails. And if the deal value is over $5,000 or $5 lakhs, we will notify to the sales manager so that he can approve the deal, and so on. So what I will do that, I just share it in my screen and I will show you. I already set it up the automations. So I just show you how it works on it. So you can able to see my sample form screen right now. Just give thumbs up. So everyone can able to see my sample form. Yes, thanks for your confirmation. So here, just an example, okay? One of lead comes to your website and he verified about your business, like what you are doing, whatever, like, what business you are doing it and what support you are, doing it for the customers. So they saw all your website and they wanted to contact you. So what they will do it, they are filling the form. When they are filling the form, it's so they are filling their name, their email address, and they will fill the phone number, like, okay, and he's giving for the reason I wanted to implement Zoho CRM for my business. So once he filled it and once he submitted the form, okay, what will happen? I will take you to this CRM. It will automatically, you know uh, fill that information in CRM itself. So it is automatically mapped into it. So in that, whatever he fills the email address, that is mapped here. The phone number he said, like, that's also mapped here, and the name, everything is mapped. And the lead source, from which source it came, it's from a website. And also he said, like, he wanted to implement the CRM for this businesses. So once he filled everything, so there is a thank you email sent to the customer straight away. So like this, hi Siraj, thank you for reaching out to and showing the interested in Zoho. So we would like to inform you what we are done. So the content we can we can customize it. So it will automatically forward it using the Zoho workflow. So this is one use case. The another use case which I'm going to show you to you in the deals module, which whenever we push this lead from one stage to proposal. Okay, so if you see here, there is no other activities are already created here. Okay, so when I'm trying to push this particular customer to proposal. Okay, if I go to the system, the records, the one activity is created automatically, like Mohammed follow up the email, follow up the deal for the proposal. So we have a 2 days of deadline, so they can follow after 2 days. So this is how we are creating it for the so these type of automations will saves you the huge amount of time and ensure that no important step is missed. Okay, so now let me take you to set up how to set up the workflow. I just show you some setup thing. Okay, so that you might have understand how the automation work. So because I already showed you how the automation is worked. Okay, so I just show it now is for the setup. Just create a rule. Okay, so in which module you wanted to do it. So maybe I just take leads. In this, I can give website lead. Okay, website lead. I just create. So I will give the workflow rule, like, I will give the trigger when this automation should happen. So whenever the record action is create, okay, whenever it is create, and I need to set up the criteria. Criteria is from only from website, it will goes to the email, right? So when it comes to that, I will give the lead source. When it comes to lead source is website. Okay, I will create a email notification. So like introduction. Yes. So once the workflow is saved and is activated, okay, so if you see here, the website lead 2 is created, it's activated, and it's activated. So it will runs automatically in the background. So this means your system is constantly working for you even when you are not actively using it. So I hope you understand how the setup and how the automation is work. So is it clear, or do you have any questions? So you can pull it, you can raise it in the question tab. Okay. So before finishing off, let me answer a few common questions, because I have already showed you the setups and all these things. So that it's a frequently asking question. So many people or so many attendees have this common query. So the first question, which is Zoho CRM really free? Yes, Zoho CRM offers a free plan for up to 3 users, but you have a limited features in this one. But when it comes to a trial version, you have all the, I can say in trial version, you have all the features for just 15 to 30 days. So before you are buying it, the paid version, just try it for a free trial, which I already mentioned. Our organizer already put the link in the chat, so you can utilize it and try for it. Okay. So the second question which they ask, how long does it take to set up? Yeah, it's actually depends upon the customer requirement, I can say. So if customer wants very minimal or basic setup, it will take around 1 week of time to set it up the CRM. But if it is an advanced level, like if you wanted to integrate with other third party application or other Zoho applications, so it will may take time to 30 to 45 days. So it's all based on the requirement. And the third question, can it work with WhatsApp? Yes, we can integrate with WhatsApp. So we have already inbuilt WhatsApp, integration features is there, but it is only if you have only a WABA verification, then only we can integrate with the WhatsApp in inbuilt. But we have another tool called WhatsApp. Okay, it's other third party application. We can integrate with that WhatsApp, and whenever the customer sends a message or anything, so we can create them as a lead, and also we can send them automatic messages as well. Okay. The fourth question is data secured and where it is stored? Definitely 100% it's secured. Okay, because they have a high level data security. So each region, they have one own data center by Zoho. So they are not selling any of your data to any person. So they stored it in their data center itself. So it's highly secured for your data. So the fifth question is, can I import my existing Excel data? Definitely you can, because we already imported a lot of customers data from Excel to CRM. So it is 100% you can add, like we can import the data in the system. And the final question, does it work on mobile? Definitely it will. It is work on mobile. So wherever you go, you just download the app in the iOS or Android. Okay, you just log in. So whenever you had a meeting with the customer, whenever you wanted to create a task, you can create anywhere. Okay, so that's all about the FAQs. Now it's time for you guys to drop the Q&A sessions. Like you can ask the question in the Q&A tab, so I can answer you accordingly. If it is, if I wanted to research something, like based on your question, if I wanted to research something, I will get back to you with your email or phone number so that we will discuss separately. So now it's your time to ask a question if you have. Yes, I think nobody's posted a question. So I think everyone is cleared about it. So yes, so that's bring us the end of our today's webinar. So today we covered three key topics, which is what is CRM and why business need it, and Zoho CRM features, and also workflow automations. So if you would like to start using Zoho CRM, you can please sign up with the trial version, which we posted in the chat, and and you can look into it. And if you need any implementing Zoho CRM for your business, please feel free to contact us at sales@tekydoct.in, or we have our salesperson phone number, so you can contact them directly. And we have a website, so you just go through our website, and if you have any clarification, you can contact them. Or if you need any support, since because someone is already using CRM, but still you need any support, you can send an email to support@tekydoct.in. So thank you so much for attending it, and I hope you all find the session is very valuable. So it's great. Thanks all. Have a great day.